Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that promises to change your hairstyling routine, the Revlon 1200W Perfect Style Hot Air Kit. If you're someone who loves achieving sleek blowouts, soft curls, and voluminous styles, this could be the tool to add some serious versatility to your hair care arsenal. Let's dive into the details and see how it performs. The Revlon 1200W Perfect Style Hot Air Kit is designed to give you salon-quality results right at home. With 1200 watts of power, this tool uses Ionic technology to fight frizz and enhance shine, leaving your hair looking glossy and healthy. It also features a ceramic coating, which helps distribute heat evenly, preventing heat damage, and making sure you can style with speed and ease. Whether you're looking for bouncy curls or a sleek, voluminous blowout, this kit has a couple of attachments to help you get there. A 1-inch barrel for soft curls, and a 1.5-inch barrel for bigger, bouncier volume. Plus, there's a smoothing concentrator that locks in your style with a cool shot. In terms of real-world testing, this hot air kit was pretty easy to incorporate into my routine. It's lightweight, so holding it for extended periods didn't feel like a chore. I found it worked best on hair that's already towel dried. As the instructions recommend, it's not designed for soaking wet hair, so make sure to prep your hair a bit first. The 1-inch barrel was perfect for soft, defined curls, and I was especially impressed with the volume I achieved using the 1.5-inch attachment. The Cool Shot feature was a game changer for locking in my styles, leaving them looking polished without the need for additional hairspray. However, I did notice that if I used the product for too long, it started to get a little bit warm in my hands, which could be uncomfortable during extended styling sessions. As for the pros and cons, the biggest pro is the versatility of the attachments. The 1-inch barrel gives soft curls, while the larger 1.5-inch barrel allows you to achieve that classic, voluminous blowout look. The Ionic technology really does its job by reducing frizz, which I appreciated. The smooth, shiny finish left my hair looking polished without weighing it down. On the flip side, I do have to mention that it doesn't work as well if your hair is still too wet. So, it's a bit of a pre-styling tool, not a replacement for a dryer if your hair is soaking wet. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this is a solid investment for anyone looking to upgrade their hair tools. Considering the results and the 2 different attachments, it's not an overpriced item for what you're getting. The ceramic and Ionic technology, paired with the ease of use, make it a reliable option for a variety of styles. If you're considering alternatives, there are other hot air brushes and blow-dry brushes on the market, like those from Conair or Drybar. However, what sets the Revlon kit apart is the combination of the 1-inch and 1.5-inch attachments, offering a more tailored styling experience. Some of the alternatives might not have the same styling flexibility, so if you're looking for different curl options, this one is definitely worth a look. As for build quality, the kit feels sturdy in the hand, and while it's lightweight, it still feels durable. I've had it in my possession for a while now, and there haven't been any issues with overheating or loss of performance. It's built to last, and the quality of the materials used, from the handle to the barrel attachments, feels premium for a product in this price range. In terms of longevity, since the attachments are removable, the tool should last you a while with proper care. I recommend cleaning the barrels regularly to maintain performance. Lastly, if I had any experience with the brand's customer support, I'd share it here. However, since I haven't had any direct interactions with Revlon's customer service, I can only speak to their general reputation for addressing customer inquiries promptly. To wrap it up, the Revlon 1200W Perfect Style Hot Air Kit is a fantastic tool for creating soft curls, bouncy blowouts, and volume. It's easy to use, effective, and offers great value for money. If you love experimenting with different styles and are tired of using multiple tools to achieve them, this is a solid option. If you've been looking for something that'll give you a polished look at home, it's definitely worth checking out. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.